Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to do this makeup tutorial. So this kind of an eyeliner works very well for hooded eyes. So if you have hooded eyes, I'm sure you're going to really enjoy this technique next time when you do your eyeliner. You can see your wing eyeliner fully, so do try it out and let's start with the tutorial. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a second to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me, and the details of my makeup classes will also be down below in the description box. So let's begin. So today I'm using an oil-based primer. This one is from PAC. I'm going to use that all over my skin. I really love this primer. And to color correct, I'm going to use PAC Spotlight Concealer. It's a little bit of a darker shade. This one is 08. It's very yellow undertone, so I do like it for color correcting on my under eye area. And once that is done, I'm going to move on to my foundation, which is the PAC HD liquid foundation. This foundation works beautifully with this particular oil-based primer, and I really love how my skin looks. Now I'm doing a little bit of cream contouring using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Toast. So I'm just applying it on the usual areas where we contour, and also contouring my nose with it. I have a detailed video on highlighting and contouring. I will link that down below. Make sure to check that out. And once I've blended the contour roughly, I'm just using this Sugar Cosmetics concealer to highlight, and I'm just going to apply it on the rest of the face where I've not contoured. So basically the center part of my face is where I'm highlighting. Then I'm just using a sponge to kind of just blend everything together, all the highlight and the contour, and then I'm going to dust a little bit of powder right on my under eye area. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm concentrating more of the powder on my under eye area, and then I'm going to start by applying bronzer. So I'm just setting the contour with the bronzer essentially. So everywhere that I've applied the contour, I'm going to pat the bronzer there, and then I'm going to start blending it. So today I've used the Palladio Matte Bronzer, and I'm just going to set my contour. And for the blush, I'm using this NYX Ombre blush. It's a nice peachy blush, and I'm just going to blend that. For my highlighter, I'm using this highlighter from the Sugar Cosmetics Trio. Really love this highlighter. I'm going to apply it on my cheeks and a little bit on my nose, on my upper lip area, on my chin, and then I'm going to use this Miniso eyebrow pencil to just quickly fill up my eyebrows, and then I'll move on to my eye makeup. So for my eye makeup today, I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Sugar Cosmetics, and I'm just using this kajal first. This one is also from Sugar, to just kind of trace the eyeliner, and I'm using this angle brush to kind of smooth it. And once that is done, to like it matches the other eye, I'm going to just fill up just the outermost corner of my eye with the kajal. I'm not going to fill up the whole entire space. I'm just taking the bottom row for my eyes for this particular look. But first, I'm just quickly going to highlight my inner corner and eyebrow highlight, and then I'm going to use one by one all the colors on the bottom row on my lid area. So I'm just going to space it out. I'm giving enough space to each eyeshadow and blending them together. So starting from the lightest, I'm going to the darkest eyeshadow, and this darkest eyeshadow will overlap the black kajal that I've applied on the outer corner. So I'm just taking my time to press it, and then I'm going to blend it. So yeah, and then I'm just using the kajal on the lower lash line. And once that is done, I'm moving on to my lipstick. This one is also a crayon lipstick from Sugar only. I'm just adding a little bit of eyeshadow, shimmery eyeshadow, just onto the center part of my lips. And all that is left is a little bit of mascara. I'm going to apply this mascara on my top and bottom lashes. And I think that's it. That's all for this look. You can add lashes for more drama. But if you do, like if you have hooded eyes, I would really recommend you try this technique once, and it is going to definitely make your eyes look bigger and not hooded. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.